Python and PHP are two of the most popular programming languages for web development projects that most businesses prefer to use. Each language has a unique set of advantages and disadvantages. So, knowing which programming language is appropriate for your project is essential and can be done by understanding its use cases. Since Python is easy to use and has an extensive library of modules, developers can build prototypes and test them quickly. Also, it is an excellent choice for scripting and automation tasks. If you want to write code that can run on another platform without modification, you can opt for Python, as it is a cross-platform language. It offers extensive libraries and frameworks, which make developers use them mainly in the fields of data science and machine learning. Now, when it comes to PHP, it is a server-side scripting language. There are many popular content management systems built using PHP, such as WordPress, Drupal, and Joomla. One of the most significant advantages of the PHP programming language is that it is freely available to web developers. It is executed on the server side, which means it functions on the web server. PHP developers can easily access online resources to learn about the scripting code because of its open source nature. Magento, WooCommerce, and Shopify are popular e-commerce platforms that use PHP. Big brands prefer it, so it is the top choice. The PHP community is large and active, contributing to developing the language and creating libraries. The PHP and Python programming languages are both excellent for creating web applications. Last, it depends on your project needs and PHP or Python expertise, knowledge, and capabilities. If you are looking for PHP or Python developers for your web development projects, UHero can help. Contact us for more information at info@uheroglobal.com or visit us at uheroglobal.com.